Why are you still broke when you actually have more than enough things that has already been embedded in you that you can use to make money for yourself? Yes, I'm talking about your inborn skills and talents. And I'm still wondering why many people find it so difficult to understand that what they are looking for is actually all just around them, but they are not just realizing it. But not to worry, in this video today, I'm going to tell you and help you to understand exactly how you can look at the things around you, especially your skills and inborn talents, and know exactly how you can spot them and turn them into profitable businesses that can generate regular and steady income for you. If this interests you, if this is something that you would like to find out, please stay glued and hit the subscribe button and join me while we dive into today's video. Hello, my name is Entrepreneurial Erioluwa. I welcome you so much into today's video, where we're going to be talking about the skills and talents and everything inside of you that you can turn definitely into making money and sustainable income for yourself. If this is the first time of watching me or seeing me, thank you so much for joining on today's video. This is what we discuss on this channel. I help you to discover businesses that you're not even thinking of. I help you to know how to start, grow, and build them into sustainable and very profitable businesses. So it's interesting to know that the World Economic Forum has actually said that over 50% workers actually have in them monetizable skills that they can actually turn into businesses that can give them income, even though they are workers working for other people. But the reality is that they have skills in them that they can turn into money. But unfortunately, they are not saying it. And that is why I thank God for this, our YouTube channel. And that is why I'm grateful to God that, this kind of YouTube channel exists, Entrepreneurial Erioluwa, where we help people to open up their minds, open up their hearts, open up their soul to see more, to see the more that is actually embedded in them. Because the reality is that God has put so much in every one of us. Unless we see it, then we might be suffering where we actually have more than enough. And in today's video, let me just tell you how you can be able to discover the skills inside of you that can make you, that you can actually turn into a business that can keep making you income. And, it will help you not just to make income, but to be impactful and to be meaningful, to live at the top of your desires. Because when you are doing what you already have in you, something you are embedded, that is already embedded in you, something that you find easy doing, it will be just, it will be like you're just enjoying yourself and having pleasure while you are enjoying what you're doing and you are still blessing other people. So let's get straight into it. You already have skills inborn. You have talent. You have things you have learned from, as you're growing. You have different skills that you have acquired, that you have attained, and that you have learned even as as you're going through your journey in life. But the thing is that if you are not able to pick this thing and put value on them, then you will not realize how valuable it is. And in psychology, it is called competence blind spot. Many people have something that they have been doing over and over, many things that they have found, they have come to be, to be just comfortable doing it. They are used to doing it. They tell themselves, I just help somebody. I just like helping people to make things organized. I just like helping people to make sure that they look well. All those just, they are not just. They are actually skills that are embedded in you that you can turn into businesses, that you can do, and you are happy because it's what you enjoy. You're happy doing it, and it's in turn giving you income instead of going all out, stressing, doing what you do not enjoy. So if you have anything that you help people with and they come back saying thank you, or that you do it without stress and with so much joy, even when they will not pay you, you will do it. Those things are embedded in you to bring out the more in you conveniently, and then you can turn those things into businesses. So let's be practical. Let me just mention a few, skills that people are not even, or people have, and they might not even be paying attention to. Number one of it is writing. If you know how to write, people tell you they love the stuff you write. They love how you write. You write, and people are like, wow, did you actually write this thing? Or people have been coming to you freely. You have been writing for them. They put in magazines, in publications, and you have just been doing that free of charge. Wow, God help you. But I'm here today to tell you that is something that you can actually turn into a sustainable money-making business. All right? Let's say you know how to sing. People have been coming to meet you to, teach them how to sing a song, or teach them how to interpret music, or maybe you know how to play a musical instrument, and you have been doing all of that freely. My dear brother and sister, you can turn that into a business, and you will be enjoying yourself, and you'll be making money. Let me also talk about, if you know how to organize things, you know how to make people feel like their life is organized, you can be a virtual assistant. You can turn it into a business. You can help people to organize their day, and you can work as an assistant. You can work as a virtual assistant. You don't have to stress yourself. It's something you already enjoy doing, okay? So you can definitely turn that into a business. One other thing that you can also turn into a business that you probably have been doing all along is teaching. Maybe you have been teaching people even your mother tongue, your local language. You can turn that into a business. You can turn that into content that you can put online, and then people can now start paying you to even learn and have one-on-one sessions with you. A lot. What about talking? If you enjoy talking and you talk and people feel, wow, this is deep. You can see, I keep saying it on this channel, you can talk, you don't even need to show your face. You can create voice notes and put it into voice note vault. You can do this, and people will not just find it valuable. They will actually pay you, and then you will be glad, because you will also be impacting other people. Their lives cannot remain the same because you are helping them. That is the way to see these things. You have these skills, God has put them in you. They are not just there like that. Don't just override them. Don't look down on what you have. See, everybody is unique in their own way. Look at it intentionally. Search within yourself. Ask yourself questions to validate the things that you know how to do, and the things that people have told you know how to do, and to now see how you can now structure it. Because many times the problem people have is that they don't know how to structure this thing and put packaging into it. Once you're able to structure it and package it, then it will turn into a proper business, and then you will be doing it, and people will be happy, and you will also be happy in return. Okay, so as long as you have been able to identify what your skills are, or even if you don't know your skills, I have something that can help you to identify your skill. It's a totally free resource, and I'm going to put the link to it in the description of this video. Once you have been able to identify that skill, then you look for the people that need that skill, or people that need that thing as a product or as a service. That's when you put structure and packaging into it. Once you have been able to do that, then you're going to create smaller offers, or just sample offers of those things that you can do, and give it to those people. All these things are what they call, validating your idea and giving it to the market in form of market research. Once you're able to do that, you identify the people that need it, then you can now scale up and begin to run with it. Like I said, I have a free resource. It is titled Discover Your Perfect Business Blueprint. It is an absolutely free resource. The link to download it is in the description of this video. Please download it. Put in all the information on the worksheet. Once you put in all the information, it will help you to be able to identify the skills that you have, the topmost ones, the strength of those skills that you have. It will help you to identify your unique strength, and then it also help you to validate those skills and those ideas, whatever it is. It will help you to identify the market or the target or the market that will be suitable for, that need your skill. That resource is absolutely free. It's in the link to download it is in the description of this video. Download it and put all that information, and see how you can now structure all your skills, whatever your skills are. Structure your skill, put it together as a packaged professional business, and start making income. You don't have to be stuck. You don't have to be broke. You don't have to be in lack or in need, when you have more than enough that God has actually embedded in you. I hope that this video is actually inspiring you, because that is the goal I want this video to achieve. And if this video has inspired you even to this point, please click on the subscribe button, and don't just do that. Share this video with somebody that you know that they are also struggling. They are stuck. They don't know what to do, whereas they have so many things embedded in them that they can turn into businesses. Share this video with them, and then you will be helping a life. You will also be changing somebody's life, and the narrative will favor everybody in turn. So please, all this information is to transform you. It's not just for you to keep hearing, and that is what we do on this channel. So if this is what you like, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure that this information, you take action so that you can be transformed. Like I always say, you are getting older, you're not getting younger. You need to start asking yourself thorough questions. What do I want to do that will be impactful even in my own life journey? Ask yourself those kind of questions. It will help you to take actions and take the necessary actions even after watching this kind of video. This video is supposed to inspire you, to educate you, to inform you. I'm not promising you any rich quick or get rich quick scheme in any of my videos. Please take the due actions, take the due steps, and then put work into whatever you're doing, and you will get the result by the work you do. I hope that this video has helped you. I hope that this video has inspired you. I hope that you will not finish watching this video and remain the same. Move forward. Take the bold step. Take an action today, and you will be glad you did. Till I come again in my next video, watch the other video that I'm going to be linking below, because it will definitely also transform you. I love you. See you.